My name is Johan. I'm the Director of Training for K2 Systems. We're here in Vegas with Solup at their warehouse, and it's pretty cool. They have a training facility here where they can train a lot of their new guys. Solup's been the champion for the Solar Games many years, and they have a roof similar to that. And here we're doing a demonstration of our cross-rail system with our splice foot, and also showing some of our tile products. We have a lot of new products coming out, and Solup invited us here just to show some of their lead guys our new products, and also train eventually some of their crews as they're growing all the time. They want to make sure that their quality is high. So we support them as a racking manufacturer. So thanks Solup for having us here, and I really appreciate that this company takes the time and effort. We're here on a Saturday, on their day off, and they're making sure they have quality down so that they make sure all their installations are done properly.
The main thing that I like about the system is that the wire managing, I feel, is going to be easier than some of the other racking systems that we've been using. It reminds me of some other systems I've used before, so I'm actually just excited to use it, to be honest.
It'll save time for sure with the racking, getting panel ready, the wiring, everything's much easier, everything clips in, holds on. The system's pretty good.